This is the makeup your order should go in if you want it to be flawless. Eyeshadow on lids, blend, and this will be your primer. Eyeshadow. Now going with complexion products. This is the Summer Fridays Skin Tint. Tarte Key Largo cleansing drops. Cream or liquid contour. Cream or liquid blush. Liquid highlighter. Under eye color corrector. Mascara. Only on the top though. Brow gel. Concealer. Blend everywhere else except the under eye. You're gonna want to let your under eyes marinate for more full coverage. Blend under eye. Take your beauty blender and go like this to create a more precise eyeshadow. It's the perfect cleanup method. Now we're gonna set the under eyes. Run the beauty blender right underneath to remove any last minute creasing. Dab the powder on the puff. Tap the excess and have an even application on your puff. Look down and apply and set your under eye. Eyeshadow under here. Powder blush. Contour the nose. Powder bronzer. Spray face. Press down that setting spray. Powder highlighter. Powder T-zone. I forgot my lipstick, so we're just gonna use blush as lipstick. And that is the finished makeup look. When you go in that order, everything is so flawless and seamless and blended. I've been doing makeup for so many years, and that is the perfect order.